Good morning, children. Welcome back to my class. In last video, children, we have learned about chapter number 1, sentences of grammar. Today, we will learn chapter number 2 of grammar, questions and statements. Children, this is our chapter number 2, questions and statements. This is question mark, children, and this is full stop. Statement. A statement is a telling sentence. It tells the reader something. An example of a statement. The ship sailed across the ocean. Here, children, this sentence is telling something. It is giving information about the sea. A statement starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Statement. In simple, children, you can say that a sentence that tells something is a statement. For example, today we have gym. Now let us see about questions. A question asks the reader something. It begins with a question word. An example of a question, children. What color is the dog? Here you can see the sentence is starting with question word what. A question starts with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. You can see this is our question mark, children, and here you can see our sentence is ending with this question mark. Please see once more, this is our question mark. In simple, children, you can say question. A sentence that asks something is a question. For example, do you have a dog? You can see here this example is starting, this sentence is starting with question word do and it is ending with the question mark. Let's see. What are question words? Here are few, children. For example, who, may, why, would, do, what, should, how, was, where, could, when, where, does, can, are, is, which. These words are used to frame a question. When we write a sentence which asks question, we always begin the sentence with these words. Let us practice, children, with some of the questions or statements with the help of some examples. Question or statement. The children are playing. How can we identify, children, that this is question or statement? This is statement. How can we say this? It tells us something. That means this sentence is giving us some information. It does not start with a question word. You can see here, this is not any question word. This is the. This is not any question word. Mark it, children. It can not be answered. That means if you are reading this sentence, the children are playing, there is no answer for this sentence. It means it is not a question. It is a statement. A statement starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Question or statement. Now this is next sentence, children. Where is the kitten? How can we identify this as a statement or a question? We can see here it is asking something. It also starts with a question word. It can be answered. Where is the kitten? You can simply give the answer. The kitten is in the box. That means this sentence is a question. You know, children, a question starts with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. Next is, what color is the bus? Here again we can see that sentence is starting with question word and it is ending with a question mark. Very simple. We can identify easily that this is a question. This is not a statement because, children, it is asking something. It also starts with a question word what. It can be answered also. What color is the bus? The bus is red. As we know, children, a question starts with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. Thank you, children. I hope so this chapter's video will help you to understand the chapter questions and statements. Thank you, children. Be safe at home. Study hard